The 2025 Chengdu Sister Cities Youth Music Festival brings together 20 artistic youth teams from 14 countries and regions across Asia, Europe, Africa, the Americas, and Oceania in Chengdu, celebrating friendship through music, dance, and imagery.
So today I'll be doing a number in English called We Are One Symphony. And I will be doing a few more performances later down the track as well, doing a couple of songs in Chinese. The most interesting thing about my music experience would have been when I encountered Jay Cho in the street. That was a really cool thing. After being able to perform on stage with him at the Rod Laver Arena, really gave me more inspiration to do more music, and just getting to know what it's like in Chengdu is, I think, fantastic as well. Yeah, it actually does give me some inspiration with writing songs and making songs about Chengdu, my visit here.
So many green teas. Oh, really green city. Amazing. So magic in park. Beautiful picture, beautiful views, and birds. A lot of bird singer, and wow, it's so cool. Yes. And I hope that we will visit Chengdu again. Our family will be happy from us. And people who live in Chengdu, and she smile, wow, hello Russia, hello Australia, hello guys, and wow, so cute, thank you very much.
By 2025, the Chengdu Sister Cities Youth Music Festival has been held for 18 years, serving as a bridge for this park city to connect with the world, and is a vibrant testament to Chengdu's aspiration to build itself into an international city of music.
I've been angry and sad about things that you do. Today I'm going to be playing and singing on the piano. Yeah, so I bought this at home. And we like to wear the qipao for many performances. Yeah, I haven't worn this very much before, so I was excited to wear it for Chengdu. So, where I'm from at home, we have a very large Chinese community, and for many performances, they have lots of community performances with music and singing and dancing. Because we like to celebrate the New Year or celebrate 中秋节. So every time that comes around, we have lots of community performances together.
We are a school band from the Gold Coast. We've come all the way to Chengdu to play in the Youth Music Festival. And we see people from all corners of the globe. We've got people from Russia, people from Latvia, people from Japan, people from China, people like myself from Australia, people from Africa. Every single country, people have come to this festival so that they can communicate their ideas to other cultures using their music. And I think that's amazing. The stories I've made here and tell people about the friendships, I think it's important that we help make friendships with other cultures and other countries. The food as well is excellent. In my hometown, we have a Chinatown, and I think that the local, the Sichuan and especially the Chengdu national dishes, the food is excellent, and I would love to see more of that in my hometown, the Gold Coast. So make it happen.
Here, participants make friends from around the globe, exchanging ideas through melodies and conveying friendship through rhythms. Some find creative inspiration in Chengdu's park scenery, while others hope to bring the beauty of Chengdu back to their hometowns. Music connects cities, and allows cultures to intertwine and grow deeper roots.
Nos inspira descubrir las noches de verano de Chengdu, que tuvimos la oportunidad de caminar algunas noches por la ciudad. Tengo una hija y un hijo y me pidieron un bolso de panda rojo. Tengo amigos que también quieren que les lleve cositas de panda o palitos chinos o un dulce diferente. Y lo que más nos inspira en nuestra música es la naturaleza. Los animales, las plantas, los paisajes, los viajes y también las prácticas comunitarias. Y nuestra música no tiene letra, es instrumental, entonces como que cuenta historias a través de las melodías, como que invita a imaginar, a soñar.
そして他の国々の方々、マレーシア、ロシア、オーストラリアと国々の方々もいろいろお話もできて、とっても楽しい時間を過ごさせていただきました。そしてコーディネートもいろいろしていただいたボランティアの方々にも本当に感謝してまして、また皆さんと再都市で会えることを楽しみにしています。
I would definitely take, my family and friends over here. I think they should definitely check out what Chengdu is like and get to explore what China is about. It's only a section of China, but just being able to see it in a different light and a different perspective is always better than just seeing it in like a photo or video online. So I think bringing them here would be a great opportunity for them as well. Being able to do something based on, Melbourne and then also part in Chengdu, I guess, showcase both the cities, and as they're both sister cities, it's really influential for me to be able to make music based on that as well.